Luno is one of the best crypto exchanges in South Africa. We're going to be looking at it. This is the one right here on my screen, and I just want to also cross and just show you how good Luno is. Crypto exchanges in South Africa. You have one of the most elite crypto exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, Crypto.com. Luno is one of them up there, which is considered as one of the best cryptocurrency exchanges here in South Africa and is compatible with the international players. There are other crypto exchanges here in South Africa, but I don't see them on this list because I just simply said the crypto exchanges in South Africa or the best crypto exchanges in South Africa, and I found Luno to be one of them. Kraken, eToro, OKX, Bybit, and KuCoin are meantime international crypto exchanges. I do believe Luno is based in Cape Town. So what we're going to do is going to do some review on Luno, some basic reviews, just looking through Luno. What you need to do is to just sign up on Luno. Just go on your Google and then just type in Luno, and then you just sign up on Luno. Simple as that, and you can just look through it like we're going to do right now. I'm on my home page, I believe, and it has all of these cryptocurrencies available. And I believe there's about 24 of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 3 columns, 3 times 8, which makes it to 24. So there are 24 cryptocurrencies that are being traded on Luno. And of course, they are all rated in rands, which currently Bitcoin is just above 1 million rand per coin. And also it also in designated with dollars. There is it here with 58.588 USD per coin, but it's a South African exchange, hence it is using rands. You can see all these cryptocurrencies being rated in rands. Solana $2,000, 649, for example. That's another example. I just want to look into their charts, how they really look like. Okay, not much, not complication. Most exchanges, what I have noticed is that they like including trading view in order to show their markets on the charts. They usually use trading view. Here they just simply use a line chart. And there's not much options to buy or sell or trading or market speculations or sort. It's my first time here, so I don't have so much experience on using Luno, but so far I just see a line chart. I don't know if you can change it. I've tried changing it to candlestick charts, something that I'm usually used to. So you just have a time frame for 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 6 months, a year, and you can go for an all-time time frame. Can see how the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency has been performing, but you see a similar action also on your candlestick chart, but this just differences. They are using a line chart. So for those who don't really understand things about charts and candlestick charts, don't be confused. It's the same information, it's just that here they are using line charts. Okay, so I just want to also go to explore. Okay, I really liked looking to explore. Okay, I never really looked into news, but to learn, if you want to learn some of the basic things about cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and different projects in and around, okay, what is near, okay, they will also explain. You can just go into it and it will open a sort of like a new page for it, and then it will go into deep details what is near, and it has all of this information for you to absorb and to try and understand some of the cryptocurrencies that you might want to invest in going into this exchange. You have what is Phantom, FTM, and they also have what is Synthetics, SNX, what is the Graph. Okay, these are all projects. Okay, the Tron, you have, okay, now there's other projects. What your crypto knowledge put your crypto knowledge to the test with practice. Predict, okay, correctly predict the weekly and monthly price of Bitcoin, and you could earn up to $10,000 in BTC. Sort of like a challenge for someone who might be interested in earning this amount of money. But I do believe that you need to be an authentic investor, and you must really put in some money into the exchange. What is Algorand? I'm interested in this cryptocurrency, Algorand. Now, Algorand enables cross-chain transactions, supporting smooth data and crypto exchange between networks. I believe it's a South African coin using Algorand because it has that rand. And what is Stellar XLM? And Stellar enables the transfer of assets globally, fostering financial inclusion and efficiency in the digital economy. Okay. Luno, growing Luno digital asset universe. Find out more about what factors Luno considers when choosing which cryptocurrency to list. Okay. What is Cosmos, Adam? Cosmos is a way for blockchain in the ecosystem to seamlessly share cryptocurrency and other data between each other. Obviously, I can go deeper into detail, but for the sake of this video, I cannot go into the whole section of this explanations of these different educational settings. What is the difference between Cosmos and Polkadot? So they're comparing two projects. What is the difference between Polkadot and Ethereum? So they are trying to differentiate different types of blockchains, how they operate differently. Now remember that blockchain technology, they operate for different projects and for different reasons and solving different problems. Okay. Where did Polkadot come from? What is Polkadot? So they just keep on going further where it came from. Let's just read a little bit, okay? Just a little bit where it came from. I'm also a bit curious about where did Polkadot come from. So Luna is quite Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeer, and Peter Zaban founded Polkadot in 2017. Each of the founders have had extensive careers in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space. Wood was one of the original co-founder of Ethereum. So, okay, they came from a very worthy project and is widely credited with writing most of the code for the first version of Ethereum in 2014. He also coined the phrase Web3. All right. Zaban is the technology director of the Web3 Foundation, while Habermeer was on the team of the Ethereum core developers in 2015. So well-experienced people who are running these projects. Okay, now Web3, which is the next phase of the internet or the next generation of the internet. Currently, we are in Web 2. So Web3 is something that people should start learning about right now before it is like fully engaged. It's worth investing into. Something like AI that people are jumping into currently. But Web3 is also something quite new that is exciting. Okay, with blockchain, they go hand in hand with blockchain. So Web3 runs on blockchain. Actually decentralized, okay, decentralized web, to say the least. You have security, securing your Luno account, a guide to essential security features, okay, as well. What are smart contracts? Okay, all right, I like this one. Smart contracts are very interesting platform to learn from. Also a beginner's guide to the stable coins. Okay, everything you need to know about Bitcoin standard stable coins, Tether, USD coin. They are the only two featured here on this exchange so far. I believe there's more. Crypto and crime. Is Bitcoin really good or criminals? There are also arguments that Bitcoin was used for solicitous activities, bad activities to make payments for. In Bitcoin are greener than gold. Okay, all right, that's just an argument between those two assets. Who invented Bitcoin? But nobody really knows about that. What is Polygon, Matic? It goes further and further down to is Bitcoin greener than gold once again. I think beginner's guide to stable coin, everything you need to know about Bitcoin standard. Well, this section here is pretty loaded with learnerships and learning. Let us look at the news. Okay, I don't know if these are the latest news. 15th August, okay, daily briefing. Crypto markets down despite cooling down as inflation. Okay, yes, I checked Bitcoin. It's been quite down. Even on the home page, you can see it's at $58,000, struggling to maintain that 60,000 per coin. Luno Insider sneak peek at this month's newest release. So these are the newest release news. Today is the 16th, and the last news that they released was yesterday, which is quite convenient. Okay, it's not something quite old. Let's go to wallets. Now this, I think you do have to consider signing up and funding, so you can buy, sell, send and receive. Simple as that. And you can sign in to start using your crypto wallets, so you can learn to use crypto wallets as early as possible through this platform as well. Then you have rewards. Okay, get started with rewards. Okay, refer your friends and family, redeem promo codes and earn Bitcoin. Sign up today and track the progress of your rewards, sort of like a kickback for putting in people under your name, also which is done in Forex as well, where you sign up people and you get a kickback for that. Okay, which is quite normal to most platforms, most digital platforms. And in Luno, they have just done that, taken advantage of that, which is one of the biggest attractive elements about digital platforms as a whole, whether you're trading crypto, Forex, or the stock markets. The more you invite people, you get rewarded for that, which is quite good. You can welcome and profile. Okay, this is just my profile, security settings and help. So, which is quite a simple platform, I should say. I think there's been a lot of improvements within the Luno exchange the last time I had it before, because it was I think 4 or 3 years ago when I signed up on Luno, and it was quite different. But now things have quite improved, and the user friendliness is quite also improved as well, which is quite good. And I also want to jump into this. They have all, and then you have layer 1 tokens. Okay, they will reveal to you. You can see that these are layer 1 tokens. Remember, there's layer 1, layer 2 tokens, layer 3, and so forth. But not, I don't know about layer 4, but there are different layers of blockchains that are being introduced time and time again. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Aave is quite big on decentralized finance, looking good right now, plus 2.85%. Then you have stable coins, USD coin and Tether. Okay, these are the only tools that they have. And then you have smart contracts. Obviously Ethereum falls under the smart contracts, which is the leader in terms of smart contracts. Solana, Avalanche, Phantom, Polkadot, Cardano, Near Protocol, Polygon, Tron are all part of the smart contracts group. Some of them, they are dual. AI crypto, which is still fresh and new, hence you see the graph as the only project that is in there. So ladies and gentlemen, please be sure to subscribe. Please do click that like button. Please do share the show. Thank you very much for joining me. This has been a Luno review. Until next time, thank you.